Hi, I'm Ina from Rebag, and I'm going to teach you basic cleaning tips to keep your handbag collection in great condition. Tip number 1, clean out the interior. This means taking everything out and removing any dirt or dust. Sometimes the lining can be pulled out of the bag, but you can also turn it upside down to shake out debris. Then, use a suede brush or a microfiber cloth to gently brush any remaining debris out. We recommend cleaning the interior once every couple of weeks. Tip number 2, thoroughly wipe down the exterior. Start with a microfiber cloth and get into all the crevices possible. Next, repeat the same process with an unscented baby wipe or a gentle leather wipe. Most leathers, even lambskin, can withstand this as long as you don't rub too hard and you dry it off with a microfiber cloth after. You can always test the wet wipe on an inconspicuous area first. You'll find that gentle buffing removes most signs of light wear. If you do this once a week, it will be easy to maintain the condition of your bag. Tip number 3, treat the overexposed areas of your bag. This normally includes the base corners and the handles, which are affected by the oils from your skin. Simply use the same methods as explained in our last tip, but do it after every single wear. If you find any stains or marks that don't come off with this basic cleaning process, check out our spot treatment lesson. But remember, heavy ink stains or oil marks are best left to the professionals. Thank you for watching these tips. We hope it keeps your bag looking brand new.